All right, so I have here a really cool little invention. If you want to take an HDMI signal a long ways away, but also still have great quality and a reliable connection and high speed. This right here is a detachable pure fiber optical cable. It's ultra thin and flexible, which is easy for pre-installation. Also makes it future-proof so you can get up to 10K and 12K in the future. It supports the latest HDMI 2.1B, dynamic HDR, eARC, and uncompressed 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz, and up to 48 gigabytes per second bandwidth with zero signal loss and zero electromagnetic interference. And this comes with an HDMI display connector right here. So we're gonna just pop it in like that. And to detach it, you pull back. So now you also notice that there is a micro USB. You can plug this thing in and plug it into like the wall or some kind of USB port, which will help drive that signal, especially when you have those longer cables that you can get. And I mean long cables up to 100 feet. So in normal circumstances, like if you wanted to run an HDMI signal from one side to the other, 100 feet can't really happen. Or if you just want to make sure it's future-proofed, so when the technology gets better, you can, this is going to be the cable to get, and then use these adapters and have that extra power like that. They work extremely well, and they're very quality in your hands. You can feel the quality on these things. So for all of that, I highly recommend these, and thanks for watching.